Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a jerk barbecue chicken. So let's get started. So the jerk spice that I'll be using, of course, per usual, is the Keith Lauren jerk spice. If you're using any other jerk seasoning, I would suggest Walker's Wood. But I love this spice and it's the only one I'll continue to use. And if you do get other bought brands, you can still do the same exact routine here. Never just use the jerk right out of the bottle. I have some red pepper flakes because I have no Scotch bonnet or habanero. I have some vinegar. I have lemon juice. In this bucket right here, I have ginger, garlic, scallions, and onion. And I have some fresh thyme over here. So we're going to put it all in a food processor, and that's going to be the marinade for the chicken. Alright, so in the food processor, I already have the onion, the scallion, the garlic, the ginger, the thyme. You're going to add your vinegar. I'm using white vinegar. Apple cider is definitely an option. A little sprinkle of my red pepper flakes. And I'm going to go in here with the Keith Lauren jerk spice. You need about a third cup of this. You need a lot. Well, I'm making a lot of chicken. Well, a decent amount of chicken. So that's why I'm adding that much. And then you're going to squeeze your lemon juice down in here. I didn't, squeeze it ahead of time because I wanted y'all to see what I'm doing. So you want to just squeeze it down in here. Alright. Alright, so you're just going to post this until it becomes nice and smooth. Alright guys, so now you're just going to take your jerk marinade and put it all over your chicken. I have about 6 medium-sized leg quarters here that I chopped up. And you're just going to pour it right down on there. Yep, and now I'm going to mix it up and allow it to marinate. So this is what it looks like once I mix it up. I'm going to allow it to marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. You could absolutely do this to up to overnight, which is definitely better. But I don't have that time. So, yeah. And then we're going to move on. Alright guys, so this is my chicken. After about 6 hours, I'm going to pop it into a 400-degree oven because I want it to get nice and crusty and cooked through. And then we're going to start basting it with barbecue sauce. My barbecue sauce is the same barbecue sauce I use all the time. I will put a link to that recipe below. However, you can use whatever barbecue sauce that you prefer. Alright guys, so this is my chicken after about 40 minutes on 400. It's nice and crisp. Now you're just going to take your barbecue sauce and pour it all over. You're going to pop it right back in the oven so it could tighten up. And then I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see exactly what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what my jerk barbecue chicken looks like. It's nice and succulent, juicy, delicious. It's too hot for me to taste it right now. But if you guys give this easy recipe a try, I'll see you next time on my next video. Tag me, let me know what you think. And follow me on social media. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I can't.